What's up, the ninjas? I'm doing a white noise let's play. Yeah, I played the game twice before. So I thought I would do a little let's play on it to show you guys. Alright, start game. Alright, flashlight, run. Alright, I think I know the buttons now. Not played it in quite a while, so what have I actually got to do? Find tapes or what? Can't remember. I think it's tape recorders. It's supposed to be like Slender, so it's gonna be something like that. Not liking this fog one bit. And I'm playing it in complete darkness, so yeah. And I know for a fact my brother's gonna try and shit me up while I was playing. Oh, look, a house. Alright, is it in here? No? Yeah, like on Slender, you can like see the Slenderman a couple times. But like on this, I think like he just turned back and he's there. But I'm not too sure. You know, give me a second, guys. Alright, let's see how long I'll survive on this then. So far, 2 minutes. I'm not liking this fucking smoky fog stuff. End of the road. Alright. Whoa. Shit. I'm not sure if you guys just saw that, but turns out you can see him a few times. I just had a fucking heart attack. I'm not sure I actually want to play this game now. Last time I played it, I nearly threw my controller at the wall. So yeah. Let's go into the forest. It's not a really good thing to do, but yeah. Wow, what is that? I'm not like playing it in the dark either. The only reason I'm playing it in the dark because it's midnight and my bulb's gone. I'm not sure when I'm gonna get that fixed, but I'll fucking get, man. Don't look at it. I'm not liking this. I've also watched a few let's plays of it. So I thought I would like do a let's play because like people get quite a few views on it. You know, it's been 5 minutes and I'm already shitting myself. Yeah, I was watching Scream 2 earlier as well. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be the funny one or the scary one. Like, if any of you guys know which Scream is supposed to be the funny one, like, let me know in the comments. I'm not liking this small stone path. Wait, I think there should be a tape recorder around here somewhere. Another bridge there. Wow, I'm really scared. You know, I'm gonna pause game a minute so I can go quickly get a drink. So back in a sec, guys. Sorry about that, guys. What the fuck? I was coming in the room and it says time expired. The trial for this game has ended. What? Alright, guys, I'll see what's happened there because, like, for some reason it only downloaded the demo before. Like, I know I had to sort the Xbox out, delete a few things. So yeah, I'll sort that out and start another Let's Play on it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like if you liked it, comment, and favourite. That'll help out my channel a lot. And don't forget, wait, what haven't I said? And feel free to subscribe if you haven't already to join the Ninja Squad. Thanks for watching.